You want me to pick you up? Okay, watch out for deer poop, Miles.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're doing okay right now.
What bear poop?
You're okay.
What bear poop? My.
Be careful for the deer trail.
That bear poop.
Can you, from here I'll show you deer poop. If you know deer poop, it's little round and black. Like this. It's a little round black thing. Come on. I bet we're safe if we're not there.
Should we go, Ren?
Yeah.
Okay. On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, run! It's a what? You found some deer poop?
Yeah.
Step carefully.